Hey there and welcome. Today we are diving deep into a massive career upgrade for anyone in the dental field, becoming an expanded function dental assistant, or as you'll hear me say, an EFDA. We're going to break down what this role is all about, the path to get certified, and honestly, why it's such a game changer for you and the practice you work in. Let's get into it.
So if you're a dental assistant and you're kind of wondering, what's next? If you're looking for more responsibility, a bigger role, and just that feeling of professional satisfaction, then you are in exactly the right place. The real question is, are you ready to get more hands-on and really transform your role in patient care?
Okay, first things first, what is an EFDA? Well, think of it like this. It's a certified dental assistant who's gone through some serious advanced training. This qualifies them to perform more complex, hands-on procedures directly in a patient's mouth. The keywords to remember here are advanced, additional, and super important, reversible. This isn't just about assisting anymore, it's about performing. Now, let's make sure we're framing this the right way. Getting your EFDA certification isn't just, another certificate to hang on the wall. It is a fundamental upgrade to who you are and what you can do as part of that dental team. So, what's the actual difference in your day-to-day? Well, a traditional dental assistant is absolutely critical, right? They're preparing instruments, assisting the dentist. But an EFDA's role just explodes from there. They're the ones actually placing and finishing fillings, putting on sealants to prevent cavities, and even making temporary crowns. You see the shift? It's going from helping with the procedure to doing the procedure. And why is this such a big deal for a dental practice? Oh, it all comes down to one word: productivity. It's been shown that when a practice really utilizes its EFDAs, it can treat way more patients. I mean, think about it. When the dentist can hand off these advanced procedures, they're freed up to tackle the more complex cases. The whole office just runs more smoothly.
Feeling that spark? Good, because now we're going to get into the nitty-gritty. Let's walk through the actual path you take to earn that EFDA certification.
Break the whole journey down into 4 pretty clear steps. First, you've got to meet the basic requirements. Then, you complete a specialized board-approved training program. After that, you've got to pass the exams to prove you know your stuff. And finally, you get your official state license or registration. It's a very structured path, designed to make sure you are 100% ready for this role.
One of the best things about this path is that there are multiple ways in. You could be a recent graduate from a Kodak accredited program, that's the Commission on Dental Accreditation, or maybe you're already a certified dental assistant. Or you could even qualify based on having a few years of solid, on-the-job clinical experience. It really opens the door for so many dedicated professionals.
Now, the exam itself is pretty comprehensive, as it should be. It's usually a 2-part challenge. First, there's a written exam, multiple choice, that tests all your book smarts, the what and the why. Then comes the clinical exam, where you have to physically perform the procedures while an evaluator watches. This makes sure you don't just know it, you can actually do it, safely and skillfully.
Okay, you did it. You passed the exams, you're officially certified. Awesome! Now, let's talk about the incredible new world of clinical skills that just opened up for you.
This is really where the rubber meets the road. I mean, think about this. You'll be the one placing and carefully carving fillings. That's a huge part of restorative dentistry. You'll be applying sealants that protect kids' teeth for years. These aren't small tasks. These are core procedures that directly impact patient health and make the whole practice more efficient.
This bigger role also means you get more autonomy. You'll work under different levels of supervision. Sometimes it's direct supervision, where the dentist is literally in the room with you. But in some states, it can go all the way to general supervision, where the dentist authorizes the procedure but doesn't even have to be in the building. That shows a massive level of trust and responsibility.
Just stop and think about that for a second. Imagine you're able to perform a procedure on your patient while the dentist is in the next room treating theirs. How does that change the whole flow of the day? It empowers you, it speeds up patient care, and it makes you a much more independent part of the team. It's a total game changer. Now, with all this new responsibility comes an even greater duty to uphold the highest standards. This is the stuff that's completely non-negotiable. You have to be an absolute expert in infection control, following every single guideline from OSHA, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration. You'll also become a guardian of patient rights, respecting their choices and fiercely protecting their private information. This quote from the American Dental Association just says it all. When you become an EFDA, you are stepping deeper into that circle of trust. Your patients are putting an incredible amount of faith in you, and that faith has to be built on a rock-solid foundation of ethical behavior. So we've covered the what and the how.
Now for my favorite part, the why. Let's talk about the real, tangible benefits this brings to your career and to the success of the practice you work for.
Here's the bottom line. As an EFDA, your value goes through the roof. You're not just supporting the dentist anymore. You are an active, essential provider of dental care. You're the versatile pro who directly contributes to great patient results and the financial health of the practice.
So let's spell out what that advancement looks like. Yes, we're talking about more earning potential, for sure. But it's also so much more than that. It's about that deep job satisfaction, that pride in your craft. This certification can open doors to new roles, like managing the office or training other assistants. It makes you indispensable and can even be a launchpad for more education down the road.
We've laid out the whole journey, from what an EFDA is to the incredible benefits for your career. The path is clear and the rewards are huge, both professionally and personally. So really, the only question left to ask is, what's your first step going to be? Are you going to research your state's requirements? Look into a program? The opportunity is sitting right there waiting for you.
For free EFDA practice test, you can either click the link in the description or simply scan the QR code on the screen.